So today I'm going to discuss about the another masking effect. In my previous video, I hope you have watched how to apply the masking effect. So in that video, I have discussed how to create a masking effect through the shape and through the text. Now today we are going to create the wave effect, the one step ahead, but that is with masking effect only. So first of all, let's discuss what is masking. So everybody knows the mask, right? I hope you people have watched that film about the masked man. So it is similarly works, but the action is reverse. If we wear a mask on our face, so that will hide the individual person identity. We wear a mask to hide our identity, but here we use a mask, right, to see the backside element. I mean, if you wear a mask, so you can see only the mask which you have applied on your face, or we can say which you have weared on your face, right? But on that mask we have the eye portion. So in the flesh it works opposite, right? How? So through that eye portion part of the mask, right? So जो eye portion है उस पे से आपके eyes दिखने वाले, right? So आपके mask के पीछे क्या hide हो गया है, right? Through the masking effect in flash, that we can see. So let's see. For that, let's say you have to create a random effect. So what I'm going to do, I'll select the gradient, color, and I'll apply this to all over the background. I'll just change the color. Yes, so this is my stage. You can see that I have applied as a background. Yes. Sorry, I have not shared my screen. No, yes. I'll share my screen. Is it visible now?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now it's better.
Okay, so I have just only applied one rectangle shape with the size of the stage, and I have applied the gradient color, right? The same gradient color which is available in color palette. So simply I have drawn one rectangle shape, right, on the stage. Now on next layer I'll select one object and I'll just draw this object. Now this object should be filled with color, right? And you have to apply, I mean you have to select that object layer and you have to apply the mask. See the effect. As soon as you apply the mask, the portion that you can see is only that circle part, but that circle was filled with gray color, right? And through that circle part you can see the background, right, the backside object, right? So this is a masking. Now if you apply the mask, so see your layer effect, both the layers are locked, and now you are not allowed to do anything unless and until you just open it, right? So if you want to apply something, right, if you want to edit this layer, you have to unlock this layer, right? After unlocking the layer, if you press Ctrl Enter, you will get the same effect, right, the masking effect only, but just to edit that part, I have to unlock my layer. So what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to apply the motion tween, so I'll press F6 to the background layer as well as F6 to the object, the mask layer. You can say that your layer 2, right, which consists of the circle object, and that layer is the mask layer. What you have to do, you have to draw the object, right click and only select the option mask, right? So whatever the next layer is there, I mean after the mask layer, right, I have one more layer which is the background layer, right? So that is mask under that original layer, which is the circle object. Fine. So I'll just rename my layer so that you will be clear. This is mask layer and this is background layer. So I'll just write BCK. Okay, now I'll apply create motion tween, and I'll just change the position of the object to this side, and I'll press Ctrl Enter. So this is what the masking effect, right? Now I'll go one step further with the masking effect only. So for that I'm going to insert the new Flash document. If your computer is on, you can also do the same thing. Right now only. So first of all, I want to import one image. So what I'm going to do is open file, menu, select option import. Now you will have 4 options and select import to stage. Okay, so now I have few images in my picture library, and I will select this jellyfish image.jpg and I'll select open. You just select one of the image. Don't take so much time to selecting the image. Basically I am going to create a wave effect. So normally we saw the wave on the water background, right? But right now I am not going to waste my time to find the water related image, right? If it is if you have, I mean that image is available in your computer, right, any the natural scene, right, where you can find the water portion, right, any river or the sea, so you can use that image if it is handy. So just select it, otherwise randomly select any of the image. As I have selected the jellyfish image, and on this image what I'm going to do, I'll just rename my layer. I'll rename this layer with original. This is original size image, right? So this is my original layer. Now one more layer I'm going to insert, right, and I'll rename it the named as small. So in this layer I want to copy the same image. See, there is nothing on the small layer. Okay, so now I want to copy this, so I'll press Ctrl C and I'll select the small layer first keyframe, and remember you have to press Ctrl Shift plus V. So by pressing Ctrl Shift plus V, that is paste in place. So you can paste that copied object at same position, otherwise that position will be different, right? If you press Ctrl V only, so that paste it in center, and now I have applied paste in place. Now you have to open the window tab, the window menu, and on the window menu you have to select align option. The shortcut key to open the align panel is Ctrl K. So if you select the align option from the window tab, right, see, the first of all two stage option is not selected, then you have to select it. Right now it's enabled, so I'm not going to click on this option. You have to just click on it to enable this. That this is the option that you want to make the alignment according to your stage, right? So if it is not according to the stage, so it will randomly align the object. So you want to align your object according to the stage. So now here I want to apply my I want to apply the center alignment to the stage, right? So there's two options.